So Weberian bureaucracy, Max Weber, that is bureaucracy should act like machine. So Max Weber के अकॉर्डिंग ब्यूरोक्रेसी शुड एक्ट लाइक अ मशीन की तरह काम करना चाहिए, ओनली फॉलो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. 19th-20th सेंचुरी में वेबरियन ब्यूरोक्रेसी चलती थी, दैट वेयर द ब्यूरोक्रेसी शुड एक्ट लाइक अ मशीन एंड शुड ओनली फॉलो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. It was prevalent in 19th and 20th century. That is it should follow rules and regulation, as human is emotionless and no choice, but it should follow rules and regulation. It should not follow emotions but follow rules and regulation. The bureaucracy should be mechanical and should adhere to rules and regulation and should be adhere to procedure, and there should be no human factor involved. No human factor, like there should be no involvement of emotions. Should be adhere to the procedure, and it should be value free. Should act like a machine. It should be value free. There should be no human factor involved. But we know that human are emotional and there is a value attached. So हम value ऐसे valueless नहीं बोल सकते, because human are emotional and there is value attached. And अगर हम ये Weberian bureaucracy अगर follow करते हैं, that you have to follow the rules and regulation, stick to the procedure, stick adherence to the procedure, then it will promote the status quoist approach. It will promote a status quoist approach, and there will be no change. As we know that society change with the time, therefore we also require the innovation in bureaucracy. So now there is a new public administration. That is, administration is not value neutral. Value होती है because human is emotional creature. So administration is not value neutral and it is more flexible and it respect creativity. तो यहाँ पे creativity अभी आ सकती है, and social equity. It respect creativity and social equity, and ready to change according to the need of the time, and is flexible and it is ready to change and with the need of the time. So it is flexible, that is ready to change according to the need of the time, and it respect creativity and social equity. जो न्यू पब्लिक मैनेजमेंट है वो SFC है, न्यू पब्लिक मैनेजमेंट. दैट इज इट प्रमोट सोशल इक्विटी, इट्स फ्लेक्सिबल नेचर, दैट इज चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड ऑफ द टाइम, एट इज इट प्रमोट क्रिएटिविटी, and their focus here is on the creativity of the individual. Focus is on the creativity of the individual. So Weberian bureaucracy of 19th 20th century, that people should act like a machine and there should no human factor involved. There should be no involvement of the human factor, and it promotes status quoist approach, and consider humans should be value neutral and should follow rules and regulation and should strictly adhere to procedure. But new public management rules promote SFC, means promote social equity. It is flexible in approach, that it can change according to the need of the time, and it promote creativity. So new public management focus on the creativity of the individual.